11:48 right now. Want to get a check back of that forecast. You know, last time we checked with Rob, the storms are kind of moving out of North Alabama.
Yeah.
So
Not hearing it on the rooftop right now.
Not hearing
so that's
it in
got to be a good
Huntsville.
sign.
Yeah, you know, we're still getting some pretty heavy rain with embedded thunderstorms for places like Jackson and DeKalb County. But yeah, for areas closer to Madison County, including Toyota Field, that rain has pushed off to the east. And it's always a good sign when you see that they've taken the tarp off the field out at Toyota Field, likely letting it dry out some. But of course, we'll be monitoring those storms closely at Toyota Field here later this afternoon, this evening, with that next Trash Pandas game. So this is what we're tracking right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. You get closer to Huntsville and points west, we're seeing mostly dry conditions. Again, it's all of this heavy rain with embedded thunderstorms that's still impacting Jackson and DeKalb County. Marshall County, you're just about done with some of that rainfall. If we pause the radar, again, the heaviest rain that we're seeing is now kind of between Geraldine and Fort Payne. And as you head to the north and northwest, seeing winds now closer to about 20 to 25 miles per hour, but still some dangerous cloud of ground lightning and just difficult driving conditions. You head through the core of that, let's say in Rainsville, visibility's got to be getting close to zero. So you just need to hold off any travel if you can. Looks like the core of that heaviest rainfall is going to miss Fort Payne, I should say, over the next 15 to 20 minutes. But if you're in Henniker, you're likely going to get sideswiped by that heavy rainfall, and that will be moving in here and again in about the next 4 to 5 minutes. If it is able to make it to Fort Payne, closer to about 11:56, and then Eider closer to about 12:03. But there's still more rain off to our south as you get closer to Cherokee and Etowah County. That'll continue to move in over the next couple of hours. But then we've got that gap. So this is all round one off to the east. Round two is developing right now in Mississippi. That's going to be crossing over the Alabama-Mississippi state line closer to the late afternoon hours and into this evening. Of course, racing across North Alabama, which could impact Toyota Field. Hour by hour rain chances for today. Again, that first round, that's starting to push off to the east. You'll notice that we'll bottom in the rain chances around 3 o'clock today. We'll put a 30% chance down. Then the rain chances quickly ramp back up to the late afternoon hours and into this evening, and still some very high rain chances all the way through the morning commute tomorrow. I'll look at the Trash Pandas game forecast. We are expecting a potential rain out, unfortunately. It looks like we should be able to get at least maybe a few innings in before that next round moves in, but by 6th, 7th inning, we're likely tracking those storms moving through. Then by tomorrow, again, another rainy and stormy day. Temperatures staying in the mid-70s. Just plan on more thunderstorms all the way through the afternoon and the evening. So look at future radar. This is 3 o'clock this afternoon. Still seeing quite a big impact in areas closer to Sand Mountain. Look off to the west. You can see that next line of storms racing in through Muscle Shoals, closing in on Moulton closer to about 5 o'clock here this evening. Still dry out at Toyota Field in the city of Madison, but look how it just blows right through right around 7, 8 o'clock here this evening. So again, it's going to be tough to get 5 innings in out at Toyota Field to make that game official. Then what's left of that line racing off to the east. We'll see a little bit of low in the overnight hours, but more storms moving in from out of the west through your Thursday morning and into your Thursday afternoon. That final line pushing off to the east by late Thursday night with just a few lingering showers into your Friday morning. Then we're done. By Friday afternoon, we're drying things out here in North Alabama heading into the holiday weekend. Rainfall forecast, another 2 to 3 inches possible, though. So we still have quite a bit of rain to go all the way through tomorrow night, even the potential for some localized flooding. Temperatures will bottom in the mid-70s by Friday afternoon, but look at this weekend. 80 and mostly sunny on Saturday, 86 on Sunday. Memorial Day, yeah, we're back up to 90 with dry conditions. So just a fantastic forecast. We just have to get through these sloppy conditions over the next couple of days.